Hello, I'm Andy. I'm here with Doris Rodriguez of Falmouth, Maine. How do you like your Handy Andy's quality vacuum? How do you like the service?
I love my vacuum cleaner. I've been a customer here since 2005 and I have not had any problems with my vacuum cleaner at all. I do have 4 small dogs and I love the power brush that comes with it for the dog hairs.
And for service?
The service is superb. The quality and the service is just great. You guys are just terrific. Keep on doing what you're doing.
Thank you very much, Doris.
You're welcome. Anytime.